I'm super excited to bring this case to you. Torras makes some really nice cases for iPhones, and I saw this one. I absolutely had to get it to show you guys because it's got a lot of really cool features that I think a lot of you are going to like and I absolutely love. So this case here does have built-in Magsafe. It has a translucent back that's nice and silky, and it's got a built-in kickstand that's flush with the case. This case has pretty much everything that I would like in a phone, and I think that you guys are going to like it too. And if you guys want to pick it up, I will be putting a product link in the video description. So as you can see, again, this case has Magsafe built in. It does have a nice hard backing with a built-in metal kickstand. Super sturdy, pretty much stays in any angle you're going to put it, and it stores right back into the case, and the case itself is surrounded by a firmer rubber. So let's put the phone inside the case. Case feels really nice in the hand. It's not slippery and it's not grippy, but it's got like that kind of a textury rubber feel to it. As far as the buttons are super clicky, very easily pressable. I love it. If we look at the case from the side, you can see that it's got a raised edge pretty much all the way around the case, but it's more prominent on the bottom and the top. And I do not have a tempered glass screen protector on the phone either. So this will give you an idea of how much edge you're looking at before you put the tempered glass on. On the side here, we have kind of like a textured rubber with the Torras logo. On the bottom, we have our cutouts. On the other side, we have our power button and our separated volume buttons. And again, on the back, you got that really nice soft matte Magsafe. Shows off the color of your phone. Got that metal kickstand, and it also has a slight raised edge for camera protection as well. And it doesn't look like the case adds a lot of bulk to the phone either. So let's check out the Magsafe. I've got a Magsafe battery here. Clips onto the back really nice. Immediately starts to charge the phone, and it's got a really nice hold on the case as well. You do not have to worry about the Magsafe accessory just falling off your phone. The only thing that I noticed that I don't really like is the fact that it covers the kickstand. It's a minor gripe, but it's definitely something I needed you to know about. Holds on there really well. And again, that kickstand allows you to use the phone in a portrait mode, or if you want to lay it down, you can do that as well. I absolutely love this metal kickstand. Like I said, it stays in pretty much any way that you're going to put it. It doesn't just flop around like other cases. Feels nice and premium, and it stows away flat when you put it back in the case. Very nice case. I love these buttons. Looks really good on the phone as well. And I love that soft, smooth, transparent back. I would definitely recommend this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And if you don't have Magsafe and you just have regular wireless charging, you can use this case too. So two of my biggest things on a case that I absolutely love are the Magsafe and the kickstands. What do you guys look for in a case when you purchase one? Let me know in the comments below. So again, if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting a link in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.